Okay, let's give you some practice now. So following on from the previous two videos, in the previous two videos, I showed you f of net. This I showed you this transformation here. This is a reflection along the y-axis, and this here is a reflection along the x-axis. In this video, I want you to sketch this function here. So this is f of x at the moment, but I want to know what this transformation will, what effects this will have on the function. So now, so given that f of x is this line here, what is minus f of minus x? So now, remember that this here is like in a bubble here. You've got to work out this first, and then you do the negative. Okay. So anyway, the question for this video is, given the function here, sketch this function here, minus f of minus x. Okay, so really what this is saying is flip it once and then flip it again, but you've got to do it in the right order. Well, anyway, press pause and have a go. Okay, so yeah, you have to do this first. So because this here exists in a bubble, so you've got to reflect it along the y-axis. So this point here will go to over here. Excuse me, and then because of this here, later on you're going to reflect it. So this point will get moved to here, and then later on this point here will get moved to down here. And if you look at this one here, you because of this reflection here, this is going to reflect to here, and then from here it's going to move down to here. And then if you look at, I don't know, here, okay, this one here is going to get reflected, so it's 1, 2, 3, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3. It's going to move to over here, and then we've got to reflect it again, but on the on the y-axis. So it's going to be 1, 2, and then 1, 2. So this point here will in effect get moved to over here. Well, anyway, let me try and illustrate that. So currently, at the moment, this is our original f of x here. Now I'm gonna reflect this. Remember, I have to hang on. I'm gonna reflect it, so I have to do this bit first. I have to do this bit first. Okay, and then I will do this. Well, doing this bit first would mean me reflecting it along the y-axis. So this is our original function here. Okay, look, yeah, this is our original function. So I'm going to reflect it now. Reflect it along the y-axis. So flip it horizontally. Yeah. So it will look like this. So let me just match it up. Yeah, I'm keeping an eye on this vertical part here. Let me just move into place, and then I will explain. So here, if you look at this here, yeah, you need some reference point really. This here is this bit here. So, and this is one away. This is one away from the y-axis, and this has a length of 1, a length of 1. So I know I'm on the right track here. Okay, so the purple line here is me reflecting it on the y-axis. Now I need to flip it and reflect it along the x-axis. So hang on. So currently we are here at the moment. Now I need to flip it. So so hang on. So flip it vertically. So it will look like this. Yeah, hang on. Yeah, so our new function will look like this. Yeah, so this here is f minus f of minus x. Okay, so given f of x is this, minus f of minus x will look like this. It's a weird shape, but that's what it looks like. Okay.